The webcam that I'm talking to you guys on right now, I spent less than $15 on brand new on Amazon Haul, and this is what the audio sounds like on the built-in microphone. Now, I don't want to spend too much time on this before I switch to an actual good microphone, but I do want to show you guys if you want to change like the volume on the microphone. There's no built-in app, so you have to use like Windows settings. So the way you change the sound is you go into your Windows settings, you go to System, and then you go to Sound. And then over here, you'll see the microphone option. So currently we're set at a volume of 43. I'm just gonna switch it down to 16. So it's obviously much quieter. And we're at 36, we're at 51. And as you get higher, like when we're at 100, that was probably a little bit raspier or whatever. So I'm just going to switch to this microphone now. So first of all, let's talk about the video quality. Like, this is a 4K camera for under $15. I can't believe it. And I do kind of like this kind of like fisheye lens. It gives it kind of a cool vibe. I thought initially that it was just because I have a curved monitor, but it definitely looked like more curvy than usual. So yeah, I mean, obviously the audio isn't great, and that's to be expected. You typically don't get really great audio out of a webcam unless it's specifically like a professional boardroom webcam. I mean, really, I mean, you might have okay audio, but in comparison to like a nice wireless mic or even something like this, it's just not going to be the same. Now you can also change camera settings on here. So again, that's through Windows because there's no app. So the way you do that is you go into the settings here, you go to Bluetooth devices, then you go to cameras, you click on the web camera, and now you can see different settings here. So we're just going to change the brightness and stuff. So you can see it's getting brighter. You can do contrast, sharpness, and saturation. And then if you want, you can just reset the settings to default. Now, while we're in here, I just want to also mention that they claim to have like lighting adjustment. So I haven't really tried in different like lighting environments, but if I move my hand around here, you can kind of see, if you look at where the TV is or where the softbox light is, that as I'm kind of moving my hands around here, it's definitely changing the lighting. So that's pretty cool. So you probably won't have to tinker too much with the video settings that I showed you, but that's also good to have if you want to kind of really dial in the look on this webcam when you're streaming, or if you're just creating like a YouTube video or whatever, because you can clearly make YouTube videos with this webcam. The quality is pretty good. Now, they also say that it has autofocus, but then they have this manual focus button here. And let me tell you, if I take myself out of focus, like, there is no amount of, like, usually this trick works. There is no amount of anything that's going to get me back in focus except for actually changing the focus back. So
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
Which really, whatever. I mean, it's $15. So once you set it and you have a nice crisp look, you're likely streaming or just making videos like this one. You don't really need autofocus. So if you're watching this on TV, I'll put a QR code up here that you can scan. You're going to want to check out the link on your cell phone, because if you click on the link while you're on a computer, it'll just tell you that the link doesn't exist, or that you have to use your mobile phone to check it out or something like that. This Amazon Haul thing that they have is exclusive to the mobile experience, and everything on Amazon Haul is $25 or less. I kid you not. At least that's what it is right now, and 25 in Canada and 30 in the US, I believe, at least for right now. So if you go on the website and there's something that you want to get, like a webcam, like a stand for your iPad or something like that you might have previously spent $40 on, like I did, you can get them for $8, by the way. Like, there's so many great accessories and things like that. I just have to shout that out because obviously there are some really good options there. So next up, you should check out one of the two videos on your screen right now. It's going to change your life. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time.